How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to stake. So first thing you want to do is go to your wallet on the stake homepage and then click on deposit button. And then you'll then be given instructions to deposit in the cryptocurrency you have selected. As you can see here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit from your Coinbase to stake. Then, after that, you can now proceed to deposit your stake by copying the address code and then going to the stake website and then paste that address wallet. And then after you do that, simply just add it into your stake account. And it's that simple. As you can see here. So if you don't own any coins, you must first own any coins or buy any coins that using the crypto or your credit cards. After that, you can just deposit it directly to stake. As you can see here, you log into your stake and then sign up or if you don't have one. And then after that, you can now have the coins deposited from your crypto on your Coinbase and then to stake.